Today, we're going to review the concepts from Unit 5B. Specifically, we're going to focus on our transformations. Let's take a look at the bell ringer. We are given that triangle ABC is dilated to create triangle A', B', C'. Our first question is asking about the dilation factor. Let's see if we can find a pair of coordinates that are corresponding. I notice we have C, point C and C'. Coordinate C is at -4, -2. C' is at -12, -6. Since we know it's a dilation, we're looking for a multiplying number. What number do you multiply by -4 to turn it into -12? And does that pattern hold for -2 to -6? Our dilation factor or scale factor would be a factor of 3. Next, we need to find the coordinates of B'. Well, let's determine this rule for dilation. What do I have to do to each x coordinate and to each y coordinate to go from the pre-image to the image? In this case, we multiply both coordinates by 3. Now, if we take a look at point B, what would be our coordinates of B'? The coordinates are -9, 12. Our next question is, what is the coordinates of A, given the image point A' is 6, -3. We're going to still use the scale factor, but backwards. The x-coordinate of 6 came from when we multiplied our original pre-image x by 3. Therefore, x must have been equal to 2. What was our y-coordinate of A? So our original pre-image point had the coordinates 2, -1. Our last question is to find the length of B', C'. Although there are two different correct methods to get to this answer, both of these methods require the distance formula. The first way we could approach this problem is just by finding the distance between B' and C' using these two coordinates. However, there is an alternative. What I can do instead is find the length of BC and use a scale factor of 3 to figure out B', C'. Because I was originally given B coordinates and C coordinates, I'm going to choose to use BC and then multiply my answer by 3. This also saves a problem in case I accidentally got B' wrong. Using the distance formula, we get that BC has a length of the square root of 37 units. Using the fact that our pre-image was dilated by a factor of 3 to get our image, all I need to do is multiply the length of BC by 3 to get B', C'. So B', C' has a length of 3 square root 37 units. So that was it for our bell ringer. You have the rest of class to work on your review and to prepare yourself for the quiz tomorrow.